So I'm actually down here on the northern end of Karon Beach, Phuket, Thailand, and what I'm waiting for is the sunset, which will be maybe in about 20 minutes. But what I thought I'd do is kind of show you around here the north and show you the activity that's going on at this time of day. And it's actually pretty mellow. There's a lot of folks out here. The weather has been good, but check it out. This is actually on behind the parking lot. Got some parasail activity. And you can see it's going to be a really good sunset tonight. This is one of my favorite places to go to get it. Phuket Cape, which is on the southern end, is also a really good place. Batong, but Karon is just as good. Just wanted to show you another site right here on the north end, which is really cool. Just show you what kind of activity there is at this time of day. That's just the beginning of the beach chairs. Now, obviously, if you want to eat back here, they got a number of restaurants here on the north end. I've eaten at a couple of them. They're actually pretty good. Jana restaurant. Swadee Cup. How are you doing? Good. Good? Yes. I love this restaurant. I've eaten here before. Yes, yes. Last week I was here, yeah, and I had the, was it the pad thai? Yeah. Oh, that was so good. And I just got done eating. I was down at the outdoor restaurant, which is down there in Kata. So I'm going to check you guys out again. So thank you. Okay. Kap kun ka. Oh, okay. And this is another one. This is called Swadee Cup. I was just telling you how nice that restaurant is. I ate at that one last week. Oh, no, I just had something at the outdoor restaurant, which is down there in Kata. Here. Yes, yes. But I'm just kind of checking out the area. Thank you very much. Just kind of saying hello to the folks here. Swadee Cup. How are you doing? How are you doing? I love this restaurant. Oh no, not yet. I just ate. I was down at the outdoor restaurant. Swadee Cup. Oh no, I was just telling you how nice a restaurant you have. No, it's very nice, very good. I love it. You have? I've eaten here. Yes, yes. I ate here last week. Last week? Yes, very good.
Chef is, he had been worked at hotel before.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so that's why he have like 10 years experience of cooking, so that's why.
Oh, it is absolutely awesome. Yeah. Tell him kudos to the chef. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Kap kun ka. I just love talking to these folks. Swadee Cup. So this is it's kind of like a little lake, which is right behind the beach. And it's really nice about this is you can come and do walks, runs, and I've been out here a few times, and it's really nice to just kind of enjoy yourself. And it's one big loop. I don't know how long it is, but a lot of fun. What I want to show you is you can actually see the big Buddha from here. Now it's really difficult because I don't have a lens for my camera, but straight on the top of the peak there is the big Buddha. Not facing west, it's actually facing east. So that's pretty neat. Check out this sunset scene. Very beautiful. Thank you very much for joining me on this sunset here on Karon Beach. And the sun is slowly away. Beautiful horizon. Lasting shot. And hope to see you in my next video. See ya.